Yo, good morning, everybody. Good morning. What's up? Let's see. August 1st. And let's see. Boom. Twitter. Live. SPY. QQQ. AMD. Oops. AMD. Amazon. TSLA. Apple. How we all doing today, ladies and gentlemen? Everybody doing good? Hopefully everybody's doing good. 1 second, I'm pulling up the chat here in a minute. Alrighty. Let's do this. Good morning. Who we got in here? Let's see. Good morning, MIP SPC, Eric, David, Trader, Exert, Morrison, Lady T, JTS Racing, Buxton, Martha, David, Kill Season, Morris, Larry, J, Americo, JJ, Brian, Jose, Fancy, Jim, Noel. Oh my god, it's moving. Sonia, David, Jason. I think I already said a lot of these names. Good morning, everybody. How about that? If I didn't say your name, good morning to you. Sorry I'm 5 minutes late. I greatly apologize for that. It's hitting a pretty solid chest and tricep workout. You guys know how it is. But yeah, so I actually ended up taking an ES short yesterday and was able to capture almost 4 points out of it. So if you guys remember in the pre-market yesterday, I said look for that liquidity sweep above these previous highs over here. As we can see what ended up happening in the pre-market, we ended up pushing, boom, nice little gravestone doji right above this level, sweeping liquidity, and I was able to catch a nice little scalp to the downside. Also at that point, we had that 45-minute supply that we discussed over here. So if we go to the 45-minute time frame, right here, here's our 45-minute supply that we discussed, and we were not able to clear that supply. The supply goes all the way up into 46.25. So we pretty much went into that zone and then ended up pulling to the downside. So right now we're kind of just in this little consolidation phase, and the market can't really determine what it wants to do. It might end up just waiting for the Apple earnings, which I think might be tomorrow, I think. When's Apple report? Let's say, oh, the 3rd, so in 2 days. But yeah, we could just sit here and chop. We do have some big ER this week. But yeah, let's hop right into the levels. Was able to catch a beautiful trade yesterday on SPY. If you guys caught that one with me, I didn't do a trade recap video. I was busy editing the book, but this trade recap, remember I told you guys to watch that 1 hour 21 EMA for a bounce. So if we pull up the watch list, here's our watch list. SPY mainly watching the 1 hour squeeze, looking for an uptrend entry and a bounce at the 1 hour 21 EMA. That's what I was watching. 1 hour 21 EMA. As you can see, here was price. 1 hour 21 EMA was all the way down here. That's an area I like to use for bounces and rejects. So as we see, price came down towards the 1 hour 21 EMA at that 456.8. You guys heard me live in Team Bull walk through this entire trade, why I was liking it, where I was looking to enter. So now if we break it down to a 1 minute time frame, I was looking for price to reclaim 456.8 to go long. So once it was able to reclaim that level, the 1 hour 21 EMA, that is when we got long with a stop loss right below these lows. We were able to catch a nice move to the upside. So took that ES trade, took that SPY trade, and then I actually tried to flip into SPY puts at the 61.8 right here, and unfortunately got stopped out, small loss on that. So 2 for 3 on the day. I'm happy. Very, very happy. Anyway, so if you guys could, make sure to smash that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. And let's hop right into it. So let's hop on over to ES. And then let's see, if I were a bounce, where would I want to bounce? I mean, really, down there. Those are the only fibs we have. So we got fibs there, we got demand there. Kind of the little halfway mark on the 1 hour. Try 4 hour. Nothing on the 4 hour. Demand on the 2 hour right there has already been tested a lot. Nothing on the 30. Then we have a level right here on the 45. So just gonna make that green, boom. Cool. Also, I mean, what we could look for, hopefully this doesn't happen in the pre-market, but a possible liquidity sweep below these lows right here. So maybe it breaks, reclaims the opposite side, we get long and then can ride it back up. That's definitely a possibility. So going to be watching that. It could even happen right here. So we're just going to mark that low for the time being. But yeah, definitely a couple possibilities there. But if I'm going to look for a bounce, it's going to be down here, 45.8775, 45.7975, and then 45.83, which is going to be that demand zone. As far as rejects, I mean, I'm not really seeing anything right now. So maybe it comes back up, test supply. We'll have to wait and see. Let's check this economic calendar. What we got today? PMI, ISM, so market mover news. PMI at 9:45, ISM at 10. Good morning, good morning. Get this pinned. There we go. Boom. Alrighty, so there's ES. Let's head on over to SPY. Yeah, I mean, if I'm going to be interested in a reject or a bounce, it's going to be here to here. It's the only area. Yesterday's low, pre-market high. Yeah, that's literally it. Honestly, not too interested in SPY today. Let's see if there's anything on QQQ. Alright, so this 384.70 to 385 has been a huge level. We broke below that low. If I'm looking for a bounce, 380 to 380.1. It's my main bounce on QQQ today. Reject up here. This entire area up here, 384.50 to 385. Break below 381.65 for more downside. Yeah, that's the only bounce. So we'll keep that one on watch. Let's see if we got any supply or demand on NQ. 1 hour supply. Right there. Then bounce right there. Overnight low right there. Go. Also in the pre-market, if we don't have a big pump, I would be interested in watching up here for a reject. So as long as we can stay down here and not break below these lows, I'd be interested in shorting up here. So gonna watch that both on NQ and QQQ. And again, if you guys want this watch list, post it in the chat for completely free. make sure to smash that like button. 225 likes is the goal. We have 245 people in here. I know you guys can do it. Yo, yo, yo. Good morning. So that's SPY, QQQ, NQ, ES. We can take a look at IWM. Good old IWM. Let's see, smack that 61.8 right there. I mean, it got really close to that resistance. I'd be interested in like that 200 level, 199.25 to 200 for puts. But it seems like it's already pulling back. Could watch that 4 hour 21 for a bounce, 197 currently. Or if we get a deeper pullback here to here. But nothing on IWM that I am interested in. All right, let's run through the weekly watch list. What do we like? Also, make sure you guys got that bell notification on because today is boot camp day number 1. Remember, this entire month, I am uploading a brand new video on my channel every single day. Every single day, right? So if you guys are not, or if you guys don't have that bell notification on, you're going to miss out on these videos. I have the whole schedule laid out. Again, a brand new video every single day. Boot camp day number 1, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see, Baba. I don't like how we pretty much already bounced off 100 and then pretty much filled that gap. So, nothing on Baba. PayPal had a nice day yesterday. Honestly, still interested in PayPal, except it... Of course, it was a misprint. I'd be interested in a bounce down here, but also interested in a uptrend entry above 77 or 76.9. So let's go ahead and put PayPal on the list. PayPal, Apple. Apple doesn't look bad. Just, I don't want to trade it until earnings are out. So skip over Apple. Roku. Oh yeah. 93.50 is my bounce on Roku, or a break above 97 for a bounce. If you missed the live streams and you're a channel member, it gets posted in the channel members only section on my channel. I just forgot to upload it yesterday. Tesla, don't care about. Meta. Let's see, remove. Meta's kind of just chilling. Let's see. Not too interested in this Meta. I mean, it could bounce right here. That 4 hour 21 EMA, it hasn't tested it in a while. You guys want to watch like 316.50 to 316, you can. It's just not my favorite setup. So we are going to skip over Meta. AI, watching for a swing there. That's going to be on the side today. Maybe we can bull flag right here and then we can get an entry for those $45 calls. So we're going to keep a very close eye on that. And then CRWD, which tried to break out yesterday, but no trade there. All right. Where'd everybody go? What is this? Man, looks like you guys might not get that watch list today. We'll see. All right, so we looked at Apple, Airbnb, don't care about AMD. Actually has a really nice ascending triangle going on right here. But they report earnings today. I'll probably just wait. If you really want to watch it, I mean, 115.07 would be your breakout. So, how do we draw this? Like that. There we go. So there's that AMD if you want to watch it. Breakout 115.08. I can watch that bounce 113.50. Amazon. Remember, guys, I gotta get through this watch list first. If it's on the watch list, I'll get to it. And once we have everything figured out, then I'll look at some individuals for you guys. Boeing. Kind of just consolidating. I mean, if it pulled back towards like 233.78, I'd be interested, just because we haven't tested that level in a while. Which, I mean, that could happen. Or a break above 240.13 if it got up there. Let's put it on the side. 233.78. Boeing. We looked at BABA, coin. Coin is just kind of wedging right here. So we can, let's see. Hold on. Very close to that daily 21 EMA. Nice little flag going on. I would keep a, yeah, I'd keep an eye on this. Break above 98.52. Might be able to get a swing out of it. Boom. Or if it actually touches that daily 21 EMA. So, gonna keep that on the side for a possible swing. Costco. The watch list gets posted in the chat for free. You guys just gotta hit 225. Let's see, Google. Again, that 4-hour 21 EMA would be an area of interest. Skip over that. We looked at IWM. We looked at Meta, Microsoft. Don't really care about Netflix. Nice little inverse head and shoulders that we talked about yesterday. That break above that 427.52. So shoulder, head, shoulder. Maybe a continuation of this thing. I just don't know how the liquidity is. So personally, not going to touch Netflix. NVIDIA, don't care about. PayPal, we already looked at. Roku, it's on the watch list. Shopify, don't care about. Snow, actually broke that. And the squeeze fired. We'll see with that. Somebody asked about SPX. I'd watch 4,600 still. That's going to be a key area. So 4,600 to 4,607. But after that, 4,637 was my next level. So we got SPX, SQ. Having a nice little push with PayPal. We already looked at Tesla, not interested. And then UPST, I mean, I'm still really interested in this. It took a while, but again, here, hold on. Guess we're going to throw UPST on the watch. Whoops. Said that to the wrong person. So on the watch list yesterday, I told everybody to watch that 1-hour 21 EMA for a bounce on UPST. And as you can see, we smacked it. So if we look at this, still very interested in the daily gap fill, 71.54, uptrend entry above 67.7, bounce at 1-hour 21 EMA, right there. And it rocket shipped. So uptrend entry above 69.2. Still want to watch this just because, I mean, we have that daily gap that is more than likely going to get filled. It's super close. They might as well. So PayPal, Roku, Boeing, and UPST are my favorites today. Now we may look at some of the individuals while we wait for the market to settle. And then we'll go from there. So we said Nikola. I haven't looked at this stock in forever. It's at 295. I mean, it's in an uptrend. I wouldn't be a buyer up there, personally. Let's see. Video. CDNA. Yeah, CDNA. See the report. Nice little flag right here. If I had to guess, it's probably going to wait for earnings before deciding if it's going to break out and continue. CRM had that nice breakout right there. Finally tested the 21 EMA. Personally, not seeing anything I'm interested in. Palantir, that's been on a rip. Good thing, because I got the long-term equity. They got earnings coming up 8/7, so next week. 1935 doesn't look bad for a bounce, actually. Throw that one on the watch list. Palantir. Oracle. I'm going to trade an Oracle in a minute. Kind of just sitting here squeezing. I mean, I'd watch it and see if it can build a base above that daily 21 EMA. But nothing I like, personally. Again, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. We got 220 people in here and only 125 likes. You guys want this watch list? Gotta continue running it up. You guys can do it. SoFi. Already hit my bounce, unfortunately, at 1092. That was the only bounce that I really liked. Welcome to the channel, members. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you for supporting the channel. I appreciate you. KDP. Right at that trend line. Doesn't look bad. But it's a really nice 1 hour setup. Doesn't move. We looked at SoFi. Take a look at Roblox, and then we got 2 minutes until we start narrowing down this watch list. I mean, if I were to watch Roblox, it was down in this area, this 37.69 to 37.10 or 37.20, but it already bounced, and it looks like it's going into a bear flag. Cool. Do I think PayPal could get to 300 in a few years? That's $1 million question. If I thought it could, I'd probably put 500K in it. But only time will tell. I hate when we misprint down into the 21 EMA. That's literally my most unfavorite thing. All right, we'll take a look at MU, and then we are going to do the watch list. I mean, I'd probably be interested in the gap fill, to be honest. Alrighty, 8:30. Let's do this. Well, 1 second. Sorry, I was trying to scarf down some food. But yeah, I really like this Roku. Roku for the bounce at 93.50, up above 97 for an uptrend. Boeing. Honestly, like Roku more. So take Boeing off the list. UPST. Again, has that daily gap to fill, so I'm still interested in it. Just watch for an uptrend entry. PLTR. PLTR is so close to the bounce. We're gonna have to wait and see with that one. SPY's already trying to break that low. Boo. No, we don't have any news until 9:45, I think it was. I don't think we have anything at 8:30. Yeah, nothing until 9:45. Nothing until then. Yeah, it could just sit here in liquidity sweep, people. Looks like that's exactly what it's trying to do. All right, let's head back on over to Roku. If you're a futures trader, it's trying to do liquidity sweep, see if it can hold that level on the 5-minute, maybe go into a fair value gap. Look to go long, stop loss right below the FVG. $93.5. All right. Savage, it's long on ES. There you go. That's liquidity sweep that we talked about. Let's see, what were we doing? Roku. Roku. Alrighty. Bang, there's Roku. Oh no, are we thinking PayPal or UPST? Kind of leaning towards UPST today. Just because of that gap fill. I think that's what we're going to do. We're going to do UPST. Boom. All right. There's UPST. Type down in Discord. Get back on over to ES. I want to see if it's going to hold this level. Futures pulled up. Might take a futures trade. Alrighty. Got to pull it up just in case. I'm gonna put ES on the other screen while we do this. Come on, dip a little lower. In the meantime, like the 1 minute candle. Question is, can it hold? Sup, Jason? Gonna give this thing a couple more minutes. If it breaks below 45.94, it's no longer valid to me. Oh, they got it on NQ also. They also liquidity swept that. One second, everybody. Seeing if I can snag an ES trade. No, we don't have news until 9:45. No news till 9:45. Good morning. I'm looking for a potential entry. I just don't know if I'm gonna take it. I mean, it could pop right here. I just would have preferred if it just came down into this FVG and then confirmed with a stop below. So probably just gonna wait this one out, not take it. But was looking to possibly take an entry on that. It's all good. Alrighty. As we were doing, sorry, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see. We got UPST. We got Roku. So now we just need to post SPY and QQQ. Let's see, we're at 250 people. 167 likes. You guys need 60 more. If you want this watch list, post it in the chat. 60 more likes. I know you guys can do it. I'm going to watch 455 for a bounce. 455, 454, 18. Alrighty, SPY. Keep an AI on watch on the side. AI, or not AI, SPY. What's it, 455 and 454, 18. Boom. And then, oh wait, rejects. Reject to be announced. Might be able to take a pivot high, pivot low on the fibs, but we're just gonna have to wait and see how the pre-market reacts. So right now, no rejects. Might look intraday as well. Just depends on the overall price action. So, QQQ. This is the main thing I'm interested in today. Really interested down at this 380 to 380.1. So let's just go ahead and mark this out. QQQ, liking this more than SPY. I'm gonna try this. What is the ES trading at? 45.95, 25, and the low 45.93. Sorry, I'm still eyeing this thing up. Looking for a bounce at 380 to 380.1. Then 388. Cool. Yeah, give me to 100K subs. That's what I want. 100K subs, I'll take it. Gladly will take it. All right, so 388, or not 388, whoops, 378. Be quite a bounce. 378. I also went ahead and tried that ES long. Stop is going to be below that 45.93 area, down to 45.92. Gonna aim for 4,600 out of it. Cool. There's QQQ. Are we at the light goal? And a nice little liquidity sweep on NQ, and NQ's pushing. So I want to see if this ES can go with it. But I like how the 1 minute candles are holding. Plus, I think Savage is long. Can't tell if he's actually in or not. But I did try it. Put this bad boy up. There's 200 likes. We need 225. Then you guys get this watch list. Anyways, any questions you guys got this morning? Before I drop this watch list, we need 25 more. Watch these bad boys side by side. Fubo. I haven't heard of Fubo in forever. Yeah, no. No. Typically 1 day or 2 days till expiration. Alrighty. We had 225. We're at 221. Getting close. Boo. I get stopped out on this one. I took a trade on NQ on Friday, took an ES trade yesterday. Both of them were winners, so I might actually get stopped out on this one. But stop is down at 45.92. That NQ though, whew, that was an adrenaline rush. I'll tell you that much. No, I don't do 0 DT. Very rare. Very rarely. Anyways, all right, let's get you guys this watch list and let's get rocking and rolling for the day. Let's see. So as always, I'm not a certified financial advisor. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky where you can lose more than your initial investment. Wait, what is this? Tough, Grizzlies capping. Anyways. All right. Let's get this rocking and rolling. Again, make sure you guys are subscribed. I do go live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Plus, bootcamp day number 1 officially starts today. So if you guys are wanting to learn, up your education when it comes to trading, up your consistency, definitely make sure you guys are tuning in every single evening for boot camp. Got a whole schedule planned out for you guys. There's Roku. There's UPST. SPY. And QQQ. I don't trade 0 DT. There's a reason I don't. Not my cup of tea. All right. All right. You guys ready to run it up? You guys ready to make some money? Yep, it's going to be on this channel. Brandon Trades. Yes, indeed. But, yes, make sure you guys are subscribed. Let's run it up. Let's make this money. Everybody have an amazing day. If you're in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys in like 10, 15 minutes. Again, if you see ES dips down to 45.92, I got stopped out on the trade. If it pushes up to 4,600, I'm more than likely out and securing my profits. But let's see what it can do. Everybody have an amazing day, and I will talk to you guys in